Know the bushing sizes for a particular plumbing, say for instance, underneath a kitchen sink or a bathroom sink, what size pipe fits what size, what bushing will you need, etc., to adapt certain pipes. To the left, we have an 1.5-inch pipe. This is normally kitchen size. This is a bushing here that would go on to prevent it from leaking. It's just a normal little bushing. Some of them come in different colors, as one can see to the right. This is 1.5 inches. To the right, this would be a bathroom bushing. This would be 1.25 inches. So this is 1.25 inches for bathroom. Okay, now here's a good one here. Here's a bushing here. This bushing here will get from 1.25 inch to 1.5 inch. As one looks at this bushing, they can note this bushing is fat. Pays to have these bushings on the truck, so you never know how the plumbing's been roughed in. If you get in it and you understand it's leaking, and you may understand that somebody plumbed the bathroom, roughed the bathroom sink in with 1.5 inches instead of 1.25 inches, which is okay because you can retrofit it, but you will need a bushing like this. So 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches, 1.25 inches, 2.5 inch bushing. Thank you for watching.